G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make mini pizza supremes. These are so easy, so yummy. Let's go.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Just get a mini pizza base. I like to use pizza sauce. You can use tomato paste or whatever. Just put however much on that you want. Usually about a tablespoon should be plenty. And just spread it all over the base. I get some shaved or shredded ham. Just chuck that over it. Then get some pineapple. Canned pineapples is fine. And just put some of that on. Then cut up some red and green capsicum. Capsicum, I think in the US is called bell peppers, I think. And just cut up some mushrooms. Put them on. Now you don't have to put these on in this order. You can put the mushrooms down first if you want. Now just top with some mozzarella cheese and then pop this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Should only take about 10 to 12 minutes, and then you'll be eating like a king or queen or jester. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Oh, if only there was smell-o-vision. Oh, delectable. I'll see you next time for my next meal.